Alright, YouTube, it's been a while since I did a video about repairing stuff. Today I'm gonna repair something on my 2015 Chevy Impala. It's I guess I must have busted a pipe hitting a curb. So it's this pipe right here. I guess it's called the automatic transmission auxiliary fluid pump. And this is the pipe. So alright, so the original part number was 242-68859, which is supposed to be this part. You know, it goes on the, you take out the driver's side wheel, it's behind the wheel well. So when you type that on Google, that won't come up. I guess they must have discontinued that part, and now they have this part, which is a little different. See the end right here? It doesn't really move much. It doesn't have one of these pieces, I guess. You know, mine started leaking from right here, right up in here. It started leaking transmission fluid. So I guess this is the replacement right there for that issue. And this is part number. Let's see if I can find it. Is AC Delco 242-93148. AC Delco. This costs about $33 plus taxes, so that's $35 and change. So yeah, I'm gonna to remove it, you just take out two 13mm bolts, one from the top. I'll show you guys in a little bit. All right, so it's on. This is the driver's side. The top bolt is right there. I'm not sure if you can see it. Let me move that light a little bit right there. See, right? Up and, man. It's kind of hard to show you guys. I'm filming by myself. Let me turn the light on. All right, so see right here where my finger is pointing. That's how you reach the top. Right there, 13mm bolt. And the old pipe went down and came back here, and that's how you get to the other one. So I'll show you right now once I remove this rim. So first what you want to do is check your car up. There's like a little slot right here. I'm gonna put that part down here, lift it up, get it about an inch off the ground because it's already pretty high. Big old rim, 22-inch. And then I'll get back to you guys. Got it done. To remove all these. It'd be nice if I had a lift or one of those car things that go underneath, but you know, we don't got none of that, so we gotta do what we gotta do. Throw some little cardboard on the floor. Yeah, but it kind of my calipers when I put the rims on. So anyways, this pipe, the original one, goes back here. You know, you can rip these little tabs off. Little tabs that go right here, up here, and peel this back. You have to get down here. I don't know if I can show you guys. It's like right there. See them screws? That's where you screw it in, and that's where the pipe goes in. And it goes around this piece. It goes back that way, and then it goes up and connects to where I showed you earlier. So this is how this pipe goes, which is the original one. Take my watch off. It goes something like that. Somehow it got damaged. Now I gotta figure out how this pipe goes up in there. The new one, now that's supposed to go in there. So I'm not gonna be able to have no phone because I'm doing this by myself. But once I get it on there, I'll let y'all know. Alright, so it only took me about 5 minutes to get it in there. Trying to figure out how it went in there, but you can see the bolt right there. It's right there. That's a whole new piece right there. And let me show you down here. There's a 13mm. I use small ratchet to get in there because it's real tight. So there's a new piece right there. Right here. see it has like an elbow. And then it looks like it goes over this transmission part or whatever it is. And then it goes that way to the back. And then up. So I'm gonna go start the car. Hopefully it works and it stops the leak. Because if it doesn't, I'm gonna be very upset. I'm gonna be so pissed. Oh man, where my keys at? I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Had to go get the key real quick. Alright, man, I crossed my fingers, man. I've been doing all kinds of stuff, changing the washers and everything. It was leaking like crazy, so let's see. Hopefully. So far, so good. No leak from the top. That's too bright. I own my car. It's a 2015. It's a 2.5 liter, 86,000 miles. That's too bright. No leaks here. For a while. I forgot to take the button off right there. And you can tell my car was leaking pretty bad. Look at that. Look at that ground. So, yeah. I'll be back in like 10 minutes. I'm gonna let it run for a little bit. See if everything's all wet. Everything was wet. I thought it was a bigger problem, but $33, look at that. I would have took it to Mako, IMPALA, and would have charged arm and leg. But it's dry, so. Oh, wow. Hope y'all like it. Like, subscribe, continue to share, and that's my whip. See you later.